Midland 40-watt GMRS MicroMobile two-way radio. Two-way radio. The 40-watt MicroMobile Walkie Talkie is equipped with 15 high-low power GMRS channels and 8 repeater channels for increased communication range. 65-mile range. Longer range communication in open areas with little or no obstruction. 142 CTCSS-DCS privacy codes. The MicroMobile has 142 privacy codes that give you many channel options, so unwanted transmissions are not heard. Keypad control. Keypad lock prevents accidental activation of function mode keys. Keystroke tones provides audible tones with each key press for response or confirmation. Use silent operation to turn off all tones. DEWALT 2-watt heavy-duty walkie-talkies. UHF-FM. Ultra-clear long-distance reception. Range will vary depending on terrain and conditions. Roger beep tone. Confirmation tone indicates the completion of the user's transmission and signals others it is clear to talk. Key lock. When activated, provides keypad security, eliminating accidental channel changes. Power saver. A unique circuit extends the life of your batteries. If there are no transmissions within 10 seconds, the unit will automatically switch to battery save mode. Auto squelch. Automatically shuts off weak transmissions or unwanted noise due to terrain or range constraints. LCD display. Easy-to-view display provides the radio's status at a glance. Speaker microphone jack. Allows use of wall charger or earphone speaker microphones, not included, for hands-free operation. AnyTone 10-meter amateur radio for truck. The default frequency 28.000 to 29.700 MHz 10-meter amateur radio with big LCD panel. Users can see more clear diaplay.big rubber key easy for operation.maxm. 12W FM. 30W SSB. 30W PEP, power adjustable by knob. Please send the email to seller, us, if you need the expanding frequency instruction documents. Radio dimensions, in millimeters, 250 watts, x 280 liters, x 60H weight 1.5 kilograms. Good high power CB radio 10-meter radio. Good high power 10-meter amateur radio. Big LCD displays frequency and all kinds of information. FMM USB LSB PA mode frequency tuning step 100 Hz 1 kHz 10 kHz 100 kHz 1 MHz 1.5 kHz chlorophyll adjustment flexible MEN function and PC program software echo function SQ ask function FM and mode only RF gain adjustment RF PWR adjustment scan function programmable RB function NBANL function DW dual watch function offset frequency function beat voice prompt plus 10 kHz function SIG PWR SWR function TUT function high cut function EMG channel function SWR protection power supply voltage protection key lock function SIX6 groups memory channel model name customized function. Motorola Professional 5-mile 4-channel UHF two-way radio. Durable, lightweight design easy for employees to carry and hold all day, yet built to withstand everyday use. Operates on a 4 channels with a choice of 56 business-exclusive frequencies for enhanced voice quality, privacy and reliability. 121 interference eliminator codes maximize choices through 83 digital and 38 analog private lines. Keypad lock, audible call tones, Vox voice activated transmit with select audio accessories, not included. Requires FCC license compatible with Motorola Spirit GT, GT Plus, and XTN UHF radios. COBRA Pro Business Walkie Talkies. 1-watt power offers extended range. Designed for business use, retail, F&B, hospitality, event management, warehouses and offices. Range up to 250,000 square feet, 20 floors. Rechargeable fast charging. Dual drop-in charger, USB wall adapter and charging cable offer fast charging 4.5 hours fully charged. Vox voice-activated transmission. The user's voice is detected and the radio transmits without the need to press any buttons, freeing hands for other tasks. Up to 12 hours of battery life. Built-in Li polymer battery enables up to 12 hours battery life per charge. Surveillance headset microphones, 8. Voice-operated switch, Vox button frees hands for other tasks. DEWALT 2-watt heavy-duty walkie-talkies with headsets. Longer range communication. 2 watts of power provide up to 300,000 sq feet, 25 floors of long-distance signal range with two 662 channel combinations. 22 preset channels. Channels are preset with privacy codes to minimize unwanted interference from others. Waterproof and dustproof IP67 standard, complete protection from dust and withstand water immersion for 30 minutes in 1 meter deep water. Shock resistant, can withstand 2 meter drop plus rugged anti-slip design. Two-pack of Motorola Business two-way radio. Two-pack includes 2 Motorola RMU2080D two-way radios, 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, 2 to 3 hours drop-in desktop battery chargers, 2 swivel carry holsters, 2 user manuals, 2 quick reference guides. 8 channels. 2 watts 89 VHF business exclusive frequencies with 122 codes. Range is up to 250,000 SQ. Feeder 20 floors indoors. Hands-free, Vox mode, with compatible accessories. Fixed antenna keystroke tone signal. Meets military 810C, D, E, F, G and IP5455 specifications. Battery saver. Voice prompts. Voice scrambling. Midland MicroMobile 15W GMRS two-way radio with integrated control microphone. Two-way radio. This two-way radio features 15 high-power GMRS channels with 8 repeater channels. 50-mile range. Full 15W radio with an external magnetic mount antenna for extended range. 142 CTCSS DCS privacy codes. The privacy codes give you up to 3,124 channel options to block other conversations. NOAA Weather Scan Plus Alert. NOAA Weather Scan will automatically scan through 10 available weather, WX, band channels and locks onto the strongest weather channel to alert you of severe weather updates. NOAA Weather Alert will sound an alarm indicating that there is a risk of severe weather in your area. Midland MXT115, 15-watt GMRS MicroMobile two-way radio. Two-way radio. The 15-watt MicroMobile Walkie Talkie is equipped with 15 high-low power GMRS channels and 8 repeater channels for increased communication range. Extended range. The MXT115 features a 50-mile communication range in open areas with little or no obstruction, and the MicroMobile's full 15 watts of power and detachable external magnetic mount mobile antenna offers capability for extended range beyond that of the average GMRS radios. 142 CTCSS DCS privacy codes. The MicroMobile has 142 privacy codes that give you many channel options, so unwanted transmissions are not heard. NOAA Weather Scan Plus Alert. NOAA Weather Scan will automatically scan through 10 available weather, WX, band channels and locks onto the strongest weather channel to alert you of severe weather updates. NOAA Weather Alert will sound an alarm indicating that there is a risk of severe weather in your area. Midland 22-channel FRS Walkie Talkie. Two-way radios. This 6-pack of license-free walkie-talkies feature the standard 22 FRS GMRS family radio service channels, along with channel scan to check for activity. 28-mile range, longer range communication in open areas with little or no obstruction. 38 CTCSS privacy codes. The continuous tone-coded squelch system gives you up to 836 channel options to block other conversations. Use silent operation to turn off all tones. NOAA weather alert. NOAA weather alert will sound an alarm, indicating that there is a risk of severe weather in your area. Hands-free easy voice and sound activation transmission, EVOX, with 3 sensitivity levels for hands-free operation. Also included: belt clips, X6, 700 mAh rechargeable battery packs, X6, desktop charger, X3, micro USB charging cable, X3, and an owner's manual. Standard Horizon HX400IS intrinsically safe handheld VHF radio. Submersible IPX8 1.5M, 4.92 port for 30 minutes. Selectable 5 or 1 watt transmit power output. Noise cancelling microphone. 40 programmable land mobile channels. NOAA weather channels and weather alert.